Hello, all of you teens out there. We're gathered here today to discuss not only America's eating habits, but the world's eating habits. Did you know that you could eat a day's worth of calories in just one meal when eating fast food? My name is Darren Hoying, and we'll be discussing how bad fast food is in this world. I'm credible on this topic because I've done extensive research on it. The definition of fast food, according to Neff Warner, is a fast food meal that can easily be sold, eaten as a meal, or takeout. When someone or something is obese, then that will relate to someone that is overweight in this speech. I wish to persuade you teenagers that there are way more healthier options to fill your bellies than that fast food you guys buy. Fast food causes clear obesity in humans, causes a worldwide laziness due to its chemicals, and can cause cancers. Fast food does a lot of harmful things to your body, but the most well-known and harmful is the effects of obesity it causes. According to Marcia Woods, she states that the mayo and oil made the meal too high in fat. This is a clear and concise telling as to why kids like you are getting obese, and the proof shows it. The same article says that the fast food meal did not comply with the National School Lunch Program, the NSLP, due to its percent in energy. Percent in energy. Due to its severe obesity rates when eaten, fast food can make you sluggish and make you lazy. According to Dustin Frazier, he states that obesity-related health problems are burdensome to society due to health care costs and lost work productivity. It says that the public recognition on the possible contribution of fast foods to obesity could lead to successful litigation and improved public health. This is clearly a problem in today's society where people aren't going to work. We need to fight back to fast food and its health effects so we grind out the work week and make this world a better place to be. After all of these fast food concerns, fast food can also cause diseases and certain types of cancers that you guys should be worried about. Ed Bill B says that fast food can cause 13 different types of cancers. This is very concerning due to all those people in the fast food line right now to get an order of that fattening food. Yes, you may think that this is the faster option because you have sports after school or you have practice after school or what have you. But you guys aren't looking at the big picture. You guys are not seeing the whole menu. You guys are looking for that 450 calorie burger. You guys should seriously be looking toward the yogurt, the parfait, the fruits and vegetables. And the parfait I don't even think is good for you yet. I still think that has too many calories for what it is. But try and stick to the fruits and vegetables that they offer. And on top of that, it is way cheaper to go healthier at a fast food restaurant than it is to order that bad food. So if you guys have that budget problem since you guys are teenagers, you're saving up for that college, definitely try and go for that healthier option. In conclusion to this speech, obesity, laziness, and illness are all concerns when you order your next fast food meal. I ask you students to say no to fast food and join worldwide peaceful protest on fast food. Always remember your diet is your bank account. Good food choices are good investments. If you guys have any questions, I would be glad to answer. But if you wish to speak personally, then follow me on social media. Finally, I want to thank each and every one of you for listening to my speech, and I hope I have changed your life for the better. I hope you spread my word. Thank you.